So what I want to achieve today is to share with you 5 points. Then I would now take your questions. Okay? I want to share with you 5 points you should consider in the month of June. Okay? Please, a lot of you have been following me on the group, on my Moses said, lost my 16th prop account yesterday. Moses, you are not paying for mentorship. You are not paying for mentorship and you are buying prop firm. I will shoot you, Moses. Who is mentoring you? 16th prop account? Moses, that's not fair. If you bought those accounts at $100, that is 1,600. You know I know you, Moses. You know I know you well. What are you trading? Don't let me change. $1,000 each, and you're trading the 16th account. Moses, I'll fight you. I'll fight you. I'll fight you, Moses. So don't let me be distracted here. I'll fight you, Moses. I'll fight you. We had a discussion. I told you your challenge, and I gave you your solution, and you said you are coming. $16,000 is not a free money anywhere in the world. Oh, don't change my mood tonight. Let me come back home. So this month I grew $10 to $130, and I blew everything within a week. Today, I deposited $4 today, and I grew to $12 running. So something is wrong with your approach. Still learning. Okay, I lost. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like what you're saying. Still learning from you, seriously, Mr. Mayowa. Yeah, I know. I know a lot of you are learning from me. I know. That's why I'm here. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do, number one, are you ready? Are you ready? Now, if you're not a trader yet, okay, what I would do, you need to reach out to the admin so that she can put you through or not more of our free trainings, okay? But just stay tuned. Number one thing you need to do is to audit what you did in the month of May. Everyone on this call, type in audit. You see, apart from being a Forex trader, I'm also a personal development coach. And one of the things I have seen a lot of traders do is that they trade, they don't check. They invest, they don't investigate. They trade, they don't review. And I can tell you for free, those that win in this industry are people that win because of data. They win because of data. They did not win because of strategy. They win because of data. There's one of my videos that will be posted tomorrow or next. I said that Forex trading is not gambling. Those that win, they win with verified data. So what does that mean? Let me unmute. Okay. Let me just give the example plain. Mr. A He has a strategy. Mr. B has a strategy. Mr. A knows what audit and review does. Mr. B just trades. Mr. B just trades. This is what a lot of people do. They do not audit their trading account to know when is the best time to trade. Number one, what time is favorite? What time? What pair works for me? The trade that I lost, what did I do wrong? Those are the things you need to check. What is the first thing you need to check? When you won more trades. Number one, the pairs that worked for you. Number three, what you did wrong and how to correct it. You have to audit yourself this month. So somebody should tell me what pair gave you all the money. Tell me, what pair did you win more this month? Okay. Olawale Lawal say dollar yen. Chinedu says AUD USD. I'm going somewhere right now. UJ, AU. Then Oloyede said, I lost more on gold. So because of audits, Oloyede, what should you do to gold? You can see why you need this session. What do you do to gold? You stay away from gold and only stick to what works for you. A lot of us, because we want to make money, we trade all the pairs, and in the midst of trading all the pairs, we miss out in the right pair and what we should be doing. Are we learning this? So I've seen people who trade one or two pairs and they are making money more than those that trade 3 to 5, 10 pairs. Why? Because of the power of what? Audit. So another question, which pair did you lose more? If you won more on GU, gold for some of you, AU for some of you, GU, GJEU, what pair did you lose more in the month of May? Tell me. Olede says, we trade gold because of volatility, and you lost more because of volatility. Emmanuel says, I lost more on gold. Ajayi says, still gold. Olawale says, gold. I lost on gold more. Euro, GBP. Euro and GBP lost more. Yeah, that's it. Wale said, I trade only GU. Fantastic. That's good. One more on USD and JPY. And lost more on USD and lost more on AUD JPY. Lost on GU. I'm excited. So this is a way to check and audit your May report. And a very good way to do that is to check your journal. To check your journal. And somebody will say, Mr. Mayowa, I don't have journal. I know. If you don't have journal, type in 5. You don't have a report of your trade, type in 5. Kai. There's an issue, guys. Chinedu said, 5. My brain is my journal. Chinedu. See, when you are growing, you need to journal. When you get there, you can leverage on mastery. But while you're on your way there, you need journal. What do I do for you guys? I will give 10 of you my trading history is my journal. No, that's not right. Okay, don't worry. What I would do, how many of you would like to go through journal training course? Let me see if you guys need it. So what I would do, I'll give it for you guys for $17 instead of $97. $17 instead of $47. That's 12,000 there. Are you happy? The best I can do. Because you can't, like, oh geez, there'll be issue. Like, geez, there'll be issue. Because you won't know. Okay, let's say for example, you're trading GU. You're trading GBP USD. You need to have it down. Then, what time did you enter the pen? What strategy did you use? Did you enter based on engulfing? Did you enter based on SMC, ITC, all of that? Do you enter? What do you get? What is your entry price? What is your stop loss? What is your take profit? What is your risk? The truth is that 90% of the time, when you are meant to take wrong trade, journal will save you. Oh, type in here. 90%, I didn't say 50%. 90%, when you are meant to take wrong trade, your journal will save you. Your journal will tell you, this is not your condition. Especially a lot of you, Thomas said, absolutely true. Especially a lot of you that trade from your phone. When you are trading from your phone, you trade impulsively. That is why personally, I don't use MT4. I don't have MT4 on my phone. I don't have MT4 on my phone. The reason is because I don't want to trade impulsively. Because once I see a candle on a level without anybody, I can just enter it and say, whoa, this is a good money. Let me quickly enter. So you have to go through that route to save yourself that journey. Wisdom said, can someone pay your mentorship small in a year? Reach out to Bukola, she will give you an offer. I'll give you the number of the person you reach out to tonight. Agbex only says, sir, it is me. Sir, it is me, I trade with send signals because I'm a newbie. So as a newbie, you can trade signals, but you need to grow, because I have never in my 10 years experience of my up and down, I've never seen people make big money or become successful with signal trading. They are just collecting money from you. That's why I don't sell signal. It's not because I can't sell signal. It's because I don't want to do some. It's not working. It's not working. The person trade as his stop loss. Your own trade as his stop loss. The person is still telling you that it's in the trade. How now? Your own trade has closed. He's still telling you that it's still. So even driving, it's like driving without you using. You know how to start, enter a trade. You don't know how to close a trade. So please, you have to scale up. Boss, what do you trade with since you don't trade with MT4? No. Emmanuel, I trade with MT4, but I don't trade on my phone. I only trade on my laptop. I trade with MT4. I don't just trade on my phone. The reason is because I don't want to trade emotionally. I want to trade what I need to see. Good. I've seen people blow thousands of dollars of account on their phone. Because as you are seeing it, you are entering it, you are not journaling it. Good. Now, I did not say, so trading on my phone is bad now. No, I never said trading on your phone is bad. I only said that if you don't have journal, you will be trading impulsively on your phone. Now, if you have journal and you are trading on your phone and you have a level of discipline, you will be good to go on your phone. So I didn't say trading on phone is bad. Is that clear? Can I go to the next one? Okay, guys. So the second point I want to share with you today is, are you ready for this one? I want to shake some tables right now. Trade only on lower high for sell. Let me clear this, guys. You know that I always come only and only buy on higher low. Can you draw this down on your notes right now? A lot of you, a lot of you don't see this diagram on the market and you want to enter. Go and check all the trade that gave you money. They are trades that are on the trend. So let's go. Agbex says, I don't understand. Always trade trend. That's what I mean. Market structure trend. Can you see? High, low, lower high, lower low. So only trade when the market comes here. Then you sell. So this is lower what? Lower high. Only buy when you see this. When you have this, only buy. So you are to sell on lower high. You are to buy on higher low. Ah. Scholastica says, I can't see your screen. Ah, I don't understand. Uh, uh, can you guys see my screen? Let's be sure. Okay, Abraham Toby says yes, sir. Ah, please. So the challenge I have with a lot of you is that when there is no market structure trade, you create your own structure. Somebody, if you have been there, type in too. There is no market structure. There is no clear trade, but you still want to what? You still want to trade. Oh, geez. In the month of June, this is what you should trade. Moses is crying. Moses, don't give me that look. Oh. Because my private session is $10,000. And because I've known you since when have we started talking? We've known since 2020, 3 years ago. I would have given you 50% discount. I would have taught you what I know. And all the people that are winning in my team, you would have been one of them. Or you joined the group. You didn't join. You went to use 16,000 to, don't even try me this night. Don't, as a matter of fact, just don't give me any icon. Just be responding as normal this thing and be learning. Because all this your look now, I'll shoot you new. Okay, guys. So Abraham says, so it means we should trade at retracement of fee in accordance to trend. God bless you. Agbex only says, I don't understand. Agbex, you need training. Anything you don't understand, you need training. At least one of the training you need is market structure training. And it is simple. You look for a high or low, a lower high, a lower low, then you sell at lower high. A high, a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, then you buy at this. This is not a training session. I can't train you everything tonight. Agbex only. Pardon me. Pardon me. But you need to know, for you to start trading Forex, you must understand market structure. It's the foundation for every strategy you see outside there. Every strategy rise and fall on that. So, Mohammed Atta says, what time frame will you look for the lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low? So what I need, the time frame is now being declared on higher time frame. So Mohammed, if 1 hour is calling buy and 4 hours is calling sell, which one is more powerful? Muhammad, which one is more powerful? Fantastic. So it means that I will not buy, I will look for a sell. So if 4 hours is calling buy and monthly is calling sell, it means I have to wait till 4 hours call sell. Oh, if you get this tonight, your trading will reset. Your trading will reset. So the reason why a lot of us are trying to win the market without structure is because we want to outsmart the market, and the market will always charge you for penalty. Hey, what did I just say right now? That's it. So you are being charged for trying to move against the market. That is when you lose your money. So each time the trade hits stop loss or you lose an account, it means that you are not honoring the market. How many of you have been caught when you try drive against? How many of you have been caught when you drive against traffic? Boss, Emmanuel say, boss, you are more than a prophet, sir. These are prophecies, not just words. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, when you drive again, so when you're moving with traffic, with the traffic, you're good. When you drive against traffic, you will be penalized. And that is the same thing that happens in the Forex market. When you are moving against traffic, you have to pay for it. So, can you all put your left hand on your chest right now and say after me? Unmute your mic right now. Everybody unmute your mic. If you're on the road, don't unmute your mic. But if you are in a place where it's calm, background clear, unmute your mic. So say after me. Put your left hand on your chest. Say hi.
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 Mayowa will trade with the market.
We trade with
the market.
In the month of June.
In the month of June.
I will not trade against the market.
I will not against the market
in the month of June.
In the month of
June.
So help me God.
So help me God.
This is what I need you to see every day when you are going out. When you're going out, you don't want to drive against traffic. But when you are on your chart, the market is moving up and you're trying to catch the top. You will definitely pay for it. But when you remember that Mr. Mayowa's session, he told me as a mentor that I should only trade with the trend. So when there is no trend, there is no trade. When there is no trend, there is no trade. You only want to trade when the money is in the market. You see the challenge why you're struggling is because you are trying to trade when the money is not in the market. Mr. Mayowa, show me more. Are you ready? Esther says, sir, don't forget to drop the number one can contact for mentorship. I will drop it. I will give a discount tonight for those that are paying tonight. So stay tuned if you want to join for the month of June. Let me share my screen. So in the month of, this is a pair. Remember, I told you all that when the market does not have a higher, a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, I will not trade. It is a rule. Now, once I identify that, this is monthly chart, and I do this on monthly chart. And this is a zone. So what happened is that the market retraced back. So the reason why some of you are saying I made so much money from USD JPY is because USD JPY is on a full retracement on monthly, and now when you now come to daily, all you need to do is to be trading the retracement. Let's go together. You have your low, you have your high, you have your what? Higher low, you have your what? Higher high, you have your what? Higher low, you have your what? Higher high. So what are we waiting for right now? What are you waiting for right now? Somebody tell me. Moses says, how much is the mentorship now, please? I'm not, even if I'm giving discount tonight, I'm not giving you, Moses, discount. I will not give you discount. You will pay that price, that before price. I will not give this. You will pay the normal price. That is your punishment, Moses. My daughter says she begged you. Come on, leave my session. So this is the challenge. So I see a lot of people say, Maduka says lower low. Toby says lower high. Mohammed says sell. Retracement. Higher low. Good. You can see where the issue is. You can see right now. I'm excited about Ikechiku says mercy on Moses, boss. Abraham says, please, I need discount on the other flow strategy too. It's all right. Don't worry. Now, let's learn first. Let's learn. Let's learn first. Now, remember that monthly has declared an order flow, bullish order flow. So no matter how this place looks engulfing for you now, it is not your business. This is where the issue is. The monthly that is the senior brother of the entire market, he says, guys, we are buying. And how do we know? I just showed you. Low, high, higher low, higher high. Retracement. We are on higher low on monthly. So I go to where? I go to daily, and all I need to do is to be trading the what? The higher lows on daily. So this month, the money you are celebrating you made is money that was declared from the higher low of what? Of daily. So you can see that we have more low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You see that? So I don't want to buy here. Now tomorrow, some people wants to buy here tomorrow. Why? They say, Mr. Mayowa, this is engulfing. This is engulfing. Mr. Mayowa, I will sell. Then they sell tomorrow. Their stop loss is 129 pips. Then the market gets to this zone and the market retraces back against them and it starts going up. Then they said the market went against me. The market did not go against you. You are to go again. You are to follow the market so that the market will not go against you. You want the market to go with you. But the market is too voluminous to go with you. Hey, it's a $7.3 trillion market. So he can't go with you. Your account balance is $100. Your account balance is $500. And you want to use your $500, $1,000, $10,000 to change a $7 trillion market by entering against. No. You're going to be served. You're going to be served a penalty here. The spirit just broke. You're just going to be served a penalty charge here. Then, when you now hit stop loss, you will now say that the brokers are the one manipulating you. Even the brokers cannot manipulate. Deolu says, market will serve you breakfast. You must know these guys. I have a mentorship session starting by 8. Let me invite them to join this training. Oh, guys, are we learning tonight? Are we learning tonight? So this is where I have issues. People want to make money, but they are obeying. They are not obeying so you want to sell here, but the order flow is buy. This is just a retracement. But sir, this trade sold here. Then why do you want to sell? When you have so many pairs to trade. Let me pick another pair that performed well this month of May. Look at this pair. Monthly. What can you see? Can you see higher low? Can you see higher high? Can you see higher low? Can you see higher high? Wait for the market to come to where? Higher low on monthly. Now that the market is on higher low on monthly, I have between here and here to make all the profit I want to make. So for the next 6 months, I just want to be buying on Euro AUD. So what do? I come to Euro AUD and I keep trading low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is the recent higher low. Keep buying. Keep what? I'll keep buying. But sir, it came down here. It is not your business. This is against the traffic. This is against the traffic. And if it is against the traffic, you want to stay away from it. Oh God. You want to stay away from it. Now, this is why sometime a week, 2 weeks, I would say to myself, I'm not trading. I'm not picking any trade. Because this is manipulation. Because the people that owns the money in the market, they are buying, guys. They are buying. And you are selling. You are looking for sell. You don't have business with it. Is it making sense? So what's the first rule of engagement? Tell me. What's the first thing to check to make 2020, to make June better? Audit. Fantastic. What's the numbers? What's the second thing to do? What's the second thing to do? Journal. Good. What's the number 3 thing to do? market structure. I beg you. See, stop proving that you are successful when you have not started. You see, it is only in Forex that I see people, they've not paid their dues. They've not gotten their hands dirty. Aye, they've not gotten their hands dirty. And they are complaining they got their hands burnt. Aye. They've not, hey, jeez. You've not gotten your hands dirty, and you're complaining you're getting your hands burnt. Either your hand is dirty or your hands get burnt. And how do you get your hands dirty? By practicing and sticking to the rules of your engagement. That's it. Scholastica says, how do I audit a trade? Not a trade, your series of trade. What did I trade? Why did I enter? Did it work for me? So to identify what works for you, what time is better for you to trade, that is how to audit. And Bex only says, sir, it's like I don't know anything. Agbex, take your steps one by one. Take your steps one by one. Focus first on learning. Okay? Get a mentor. Focus first on learning. Everything I'm saying tonight is because you're new, so you might not really get it straight. But a lot of people that are not new, they will understand. So it means that maybe you are in class 1, you need to find a way to get to class 2 through getting your hands dirty by learning. That's how to do it. Before says, Mr. Mayowa, what are you calling me for now? I don't know how to use journal in trading. I've said I'll give you my journal course for 12,000 naira instead of 35,000 naira. Well, just for 10 people tonight. And I'm done. If you're in the mentorship group, you don't need it. You get access to it free. But for you that wants to get it, just reach out to this number. Like some of you, you're not even allowing me to. Let's finish the course. I will attend to anybody that wants mentorship and the rest. Okay? Just allow me teach finish. Will be good. That's the number to call. She's waiting for you guys to reach out to her. Tell her you want to get the journal course. A lot of you that have strategy, you don't need to buy my strategy. I've told you. It's only those that has. This is for those that has, just for 10 of you, please. Let's get back to work now. Don't call now, David. Call after the session. Stay. Only those you have issues with winning, that's the people. Let's even finish the training first. Okay, so somebody says, Mr. Zita says, staying under your mentorship has helped me help my psychology. I appreciate you greatly, sir. Your mentorship has healed my Forex BP. I'm grateful too. You're welcome, my brother. Celebrate you always. Okay, so hello, sir. What should we wait for before buying this new higher low? Hello, sir. What should we wait for before buying the higher low? Okay. Hope they won't increase the price. No, they won't. I've given instruction tonight. It is $47, but you will get it for $17, $12,250 tonight, just for those that are buying tonight. That's for the journal course. Let me continue. So now, you see why I don't trade strategy is because a lot of us, we are using different strategy. I've seen people here, they're using stochastics, Ichimoku, supply and demand, SMC. Any strategy you are using is embedded in market structure. If the market structure is wrong, no matter the strategy you're using, you're going to be wrong. Okay, so Clement, what strategy do you use is what you will apply on this now. For example, if you're a supply and demand trader, you would have entered here on this daily demand, and your stop loss will be about 160 something, and you're good. If you're an ITC trader, which is my own strategy, you would have found a way to enter in on about 20 or between 10 and 20 pips stop loss using my own strategy. If you are a RSI trader, you will see that on this demand, that is when RSI will work. Then when you enter, you are in profit. So anything you're using, you will now add it to market structure. Then you will be good. Is it clear? Put in 7 if it is clear. Put in 7 if it is clear. Good. So that is why I am not after you using my strategy. I am after you winning with what you have learned. Don't change your strategy. If you strongly believe it will deliver, just add it to what I am teaching you. Okay, it's only those that are mentoring that might need to learn my whole strategy. Another example is AUD/USD. AUD/USD has been selling because of this order flow here. And in this order flow, what's the rule? I said you sell, drop, high, low, retracement, lower high, then lower low, then you sell at lower what? Lower high. So right now, the eldest is saying sell. Don't go against it. Go to where? Go to daily time frame and go and be looking for what? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Or on 8 hours, you just need to look for that. So this is high, this is low, this is lower high, this is lower low, this is lower high, this is lower low. What we're not saying is that don't sell at lower lows or buy at lower lows. Only sell at lower highs. That's it. Then if you're using order flow strategy will allow you to be able to join the movement in the middle. That's the difference with the order flow strategy. So what's the first thing I brought? I said will make your June to be better. What's the first thing again? Abraham, look at Abraham said, your strategy is the best when it comes to sniper entry with lower risk and big reward. I have never seen a mentor trade that way before. Using 5 to 10 pips to catch 200 pips, crazy risky. Yeah, but you also need to know my personality too. I am an extremely slow to trade person. So I don't trade like every other person. So if you come into my community, you might not see me give you trade every day, or you might not even see us trade every day. Not because we don't want to trade every day, but because we are looking out for those risks, those little trades that can give us what we want. Okay, good. So number 1, in the month of June, audit. Number 2, journal. Number 3, market structure. Okay, very, very important. Then I'll add this to it and we can call it a day. The last but not the least, a lot of the questions you guys are asking, how can I get a face-to-face training, sir? Okay, maybe later, before the year goes out, I'll run a physical training in Lagos. Please, how do you pick order block? Order block is simple. Let me teach you that one free. Order block, when you see a red candle followed by a green candle, that's an order block. A green candle, sorry, followed by a red candle, this is the order block. Green candle followed by a red candle, order block. Red candle followed by green candle, order block. Red candle followed by green candle, order block. Red candle followed by green candle, order block. Green followed by red, sell order block. Order block is simple now. That one is even online, sef. It's online, sef. That one is not hard. Sure. It's just that the challenge is that it is not every order block that is a tradable order block. And the only tradable order block you can trade is the one that moves with the trend. Okay? Is the one that moves with the trend. The last but not the least that I want to share with you in this month of June that will help you, no matter the strategy you are using, is risk management. I want to beg you. See, I've seen people say it was going against me and I removed my stop loss. Do you consider the week? Yes, please. What's the last one, everybody? What's the last one? Tell me, what's the last one? Madam Giwa is on this call. Hey, how are you, ma? I want to beg you. Risk management. I beg you. Risk management. I was told the order block is the best candle before, is the last candle before the change in sell or buy. I was told. I was told the order block is the last candle before the change in sell to buy. Yeah, they are right. I have to read that over and over again. So risk management is what makes you to stay in the market, basically. Risk management is what makes you to stay in the market. And I've seen this work for me over and over again. I would pick an account. My first 2 trades, I'm hit stop loss. My next 3 trades, I won. My next 5 trades, I lost. So I've got 3/10. In mathematics, it's wrong. But in Forex, you've lost 7%. And 3, these 3 gave you 1 to 20, 1 to 50. So 1 to 10, 1 to 50. Altogether, that's 80%. Then 80% minus 7%, that's what? 73% of the account. You're done. You're good. You're good. But you must be sure that you have all it takes. Before risk management, you must have journaled your strategy to know the level of the win rate you can always have, so that you will not be discouraged when you are trading. In the month of June, say to yourself, I just want to risk 2% of my account. I just want to risk 1% of my account. Please don't go by PIP. A lot of you, the challenge is that you are going by PIP. When they say, did you enter a trade? You will say yes. The next question is, how many trade did you, how many trade, how many trade did you say? They say you say you got 10 pips. you got 100 pips. I can't remember the last time I calculated pips. I don't use pips. I use risk reward. I have $100. I am risking part of it. How much is it bringing back? Not pip. A lot of people have lost so much money to that school of thought. If you trade by risk management, you will do very, very better. Okay, so that will be all for tonight. How many of you have gained value today? Drop your question, Mr. Emokaifan. How many of you gained value tonight? I gained value, coach. Fantastic. I gained a lot of value. Fantastic. 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 So for those that are willing to get started with our mentorship program, I will analyze 1 pair or 2 for you guys tonight that I'm looking for in the month of June. Then at the end of June, we will all come back and talk about the pair. Are you excited about that? So just, okay, I'll pick 1 or 2 pairs, then we'll take it up from there. And for those of you that want the offer, you can reach out to Bukola now. Reach out to Bukola now. Reach out to Bukola now, get your offer. Then let's analyze 1 pair or 2 together for the month of June. Now, for those that need the mentorship, reach out to Bukola. The 1-year mentorship, you will be giving $200 discount tonight. So it means instead of paying $1,000 or 5,000 US dollars to be in the mentorship group for 1 year, you are only paying $800 tonight. $800 tonight. And you guys know when I give discount is for that night. So please make sure if you cannot pay complete tonight, tell Bukola that you want to deposit and lock that spot tonight. Then, if you want to get the order flow strategy, which has been doing well for a lot of intraday traders, reach out to Bukola. You will enjoy $200 discount. So instead of $500, you get it for $300. I think I've been able to help you tonight. Have I helped you tonight? Show some love now. Show some love tonight. So instead of $500 you get it that's for the order flow course. The order flow course does not have mentorship. That is the difference. It's just a course where you learn and you'll be added to the group. So in that group, you discuss. We discuss generally, no mentorship, please. You ask questions, everybody in the group will answer you, no Zoom is, but the training is amazing. I think it's about 1 hour, I think it's about 6 hours training. 6 hours to 7 hours training, okay? With several case studies. As a matter of fact, just don't even, once you finish the video, just pick one case study and wait for it every time in the market. That's what you'll be doing for the rest of your life. And you would make good money. Last week, all the review on that trade gave us over 100 risk reward, as in 1 to 100. Okay? 1 to 100. USD JPY gave us 38, 1 to 38 risk reward. USD JPY alone. Okay? So I feel that will help you if you cannot afford the mentorship, but you can afford the course, the order flow change strategy. So in the mentorship, you learn both the swing and you also learn the intraday. So that's why you're having access to 2 trainings in the mentorship. Okay, that's the difference. That's the difference. So let's go to monthly time frame and see the pair that is in alignment with our rules of engagement, which is what a lot of people don't do. Okay, let's pick. Let's pick. So you can see this one is selling. So he's on his way back for retracement. You don't have business with this guy. Okay? This guy is selling and is on the higher low on this zone. Okay, so in the month of June, on my radar will be card. And I'll come back and let me browse others. Okay. GBP card in the month of June. Euro card in the month of June. Let's go through monthly chart, monthly AUD NZD in the month of June. The month of June. This guy has already done his work. AUD chef in the month of June. Gold. Gold. Retracement this in the month of June. Okay. USD. Yeah. USD JPY in the month of June. So you can see, so all I'm just looking for is the pair that is leaving lower high or pair that is leaving higher low. That's what I'm doing for the month. So everyone that is not clear, I do have business with it, so that you will not trade against traffic. Okay, that's it. So let me take your questions. How can I use COT appropriately? I can't teach COT training free. It's a paid course. So if you want it, reach out to Bukola, you get it. And tell her you want discount for it. She will give you a discount for it. Thank you so much for your kind teaching, your welcome endurance. Okpemiko says, people that trade one pair, what are your thoughts? Fantastic. Very good for them. Very, very good. I've went wild. So it's very alike. It's an extreme discipline for me to trade one pair. I saw your demand zone on EU. Is it going to retrace to the fib level, or is fib retracement level bearish? But let's take this question tomorrow. Still waiting. What are you waiting for? Mr. Emuka, drop your question, please. I claim late. God, I have missed a lot. Please, sir, I need the recording. You know we don't give recording. Except my team choose to. I'll try if we can have session tomorrow. I'll try if we can have session on YouTube tomorrow. So we'll just check. So let's just pick one. So if you go by radar, by number one pair is UJ. UJ has a lot to deliver. A lot to deliver. I'll pick UJ. Is on a demand. And if it's on a demand, I'll be expecting UJ to get to 160, 155, 160. 155, 160. So we still have a potential 2,000 pips on UJ. So what do I do if I have to trade this? I only trade the retracements. So I'll join my Fibonacci, I'll join my trend line together, or I'll use this to join this. Then I wait for retracement. So what are the retracements? There's a flip zone here. There's a demand here. So this will be my two areas of interest for me to buy. And when I buy, I will keep stacking till I can find my way to here. Okay? So one of the major pair I'm going to be working with in the month of June is USD JPY. Like I said, you don't have business with this guy. He's facing down. Don't force it. I beg you. Don't force it. I know you want to make money, but don't trade with the trend. Don't trade against traffic. Okay? So another pair that is on my radar is Euro USD. And this is the rule. Rule. Then what? Lower high. I'm looking at to find a sell at these two zones. So the market is here currently. Can I get clarity for this trade so I can keep selling? That's what I'm waiting for, right? If there's clarity, I'll sell. If there's no clarity, I'll stay away. Okay? So those are the two pairs. Sell on Euro card, USD JPY buy. And if USD JPY is buying, GU will sell. EU will sell. That's the order flow. That's the order flow approach. And you're good to go. Okay? I have another private session. I'll start that by 9 p.m. My team are already here, but This is not the link we use. Okay? What are the two pairs we're looking out for, guys? Tell me. UJ and what? Euro USD. Euro, UJ and Euro card. Good. And I said if USD is buying, what will happen to the other ones? What will happen to the other ones? GEU, GU, all those ones, they will be selling. Good. So when you wake up one day and something is pushing you to buy GU, something is pushing you to buy EU, what will you do? You have to now be very careful. Or maybe Pamusa says, pray. You just keep, because you want to trade alongside with his Euro card, sir. Adelu says, bind it by fire. Good. So let me take some more questions because I have to start another session by 9 p.m. Wisdom, have I been able to answer your question, Wisdom? Wisdom wants mentorship. All the guys that want mentorship, go ahead. Reach out to Bukola, join the chariot for the month of. You spoke about how to use index and trader and chill. Yes. Sir, after analysis on monthly, can we enter on 4 hours? Yes, please, you can. Which level of fee is the best to trade? Huh? High. High. All of them works. From 50%, 61.8, 78.6, 88.6, all of them work. Just depend on the kind of trader you are. All of them work. There are people that just trade 61.8. That's what they trade. They don't trade anything more than 61.8. If you check 61.8 on monthly, it's powerful. So I don't. That's why. Can you please show us the levels that make that levels you will be looking for to sell Euro AUD on lower time frame? Yet to see clarity, Aria. Yet to see clarity. Okay, guys, can we call it a day tonight? Have I helped you? Over 55 people joined today. Okay. So, God bless you, sir. You have really helped, sir. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you, Coach. You're welcome, Madam Giwa. Thank you, Coach. We really appreciate your knowledge impacted. You're welcome. Ario, you're welcome. Olede, you're welcome. We can invite more people if we want. Yes. As a matter of fact, let's increase the number to 1,000 in the Telegram group. I would work with I'll tell the admin to give you guys a very crazy discount. Okay, guys, have a pleasant night.